Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to auto refresh any website in just a few seconds. So let's get started. So firstly, open your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for auto refresh extension. Then click Add to Chrome. Now click on Add extension. Now you will see it will be added successfully. Now you can visit any website, like I want to go to Gmail. Now pin the extension, then tap to enable extension. Here you will select interval, like in how much seconds screen will be refreshed. Like in every 2 seconds screen will automatically refresh. Like you will see, I'm nothing doing, it will automatically refresh in every 2 seconds. You can edit the time, like 10 seconds, 11 seconds, which you want you can. And that's it. This is the easiest way to auto refresh any website. If this video helped you, press the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and comment below. Thanks for watching.